Kwaku's big party, one in many. Kwaku the spider is getting ready for a big party in the savannah. He holds one paintbrush to paint a bright, colorful sign. "One is a very good start," he says with a big smile. Cory the bird flies in with a wooden container. "Look, Kwaku, I brought many paintbrushes for us both. Now they can decorate the whole village very quickly." Ajapa the turtle walks slowly to help her friends. She leads one horse that carries heavy bags of snacks. "One strong friend is always helpful for the work," says Ajapa. Suddenly, they hear the sound of many hooves in the distance. Cory flies over the road and sees that more friends are coming with many horses. "The more we have, the better the party will be," chirps Cory. Kwaku wants to make a beautiful stage for the big show. He opens one box and finds a bright red curtain inside. He hangs the curtain between two tall trees to catch the sun. Ajapa helps the spider open many boxes all around the clearing. Together, they decorate the forest with many curtains in every color. "It looks wonderful. Everything is ready for the party," cries the turtle. Cory flies very high to invite everyone in the village. He finds one animal hiding behind some big green leaves. "Come and join our party, little friend," sings the bird happily. The news spreads fast and attracts a huge crowd. Soon, many animals of all sizes arrive to have fun. Ajapa welcomes them at the gate with a kind word for everyone. The show finally starts and everyone claps their hands. Kwaku takes out one journal to write down the funny moments. He wants to remember every happy laugh and every song. "Happiness is better when we share it," says Kwaku. "Whether there is one friend or many friends, the fun is the same. The party is a success because everyone worked together."